Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Butter Lemon Cod Fish. Expensive dish, but cooked in a simple way. And it's cooking time. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Wash the potatoes and slice them up. Give them a wash to remove any starch and pat dry them. Make sure you remove as much water as possible. Cut the ends of the asparagus. Cut the fish to smaller or equal sizes. Remove any bones of the fish if possible. If not, you can just leave it in there. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper to each side of the fish. That's all for your preparation. And the cooking begins. Add in 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Once the pan is hot, add in the potatoes. Do not overcrowd the pan. You can cook them in veggies. Cook them until golden brown. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix them now. Add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in the asparagus and cook till soft. Sprinkle in 2 pinches of salt and pepper. Add in some garlic powder, but it's optional. In a clean hot pan, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Depends on the fish, cook for around 6 minutes each side. Remove the fish and set aside. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Add in the fish and add lemon juice. While simmering, use a spoon and pour the sauce on the fish. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Then add in the scallops and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes each side. Add in a pinch of salt and pepper and some lemon juice. And you are done. That's it! Thank you very much for watching our video. Click like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!